Hello, traders and investors, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're delving into the world of Bitcoin, analyzing the latest news and charting data to help you understand this volatile market. As of today, September 14th, Bitcoin is trading above $60,000, a level it hasn't seen in months. The surge in price has been fueled by a number of factors, including strong consumer sentiment, MicroStrategy's continued investment, and positive market expectations around an interest rate cut next week. MicroStrategy, a leading business intelligence company, has been a vocal advocate for Bitcoin, and their recent purchase of an additional $1.11 billion worth of Bitcoin has sent a strong signal to the market, demonstrating their commitment to the cryptocurrency. This continued investment has boosted investor confidence and contributed to the recent price rally. Now let's turn our attention to the charts and see what the technical indicators are telling us about Bitcoin's future price trajectory. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been trending upwards since the beginning of September. This upward trend has been punctuated by a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that the bulls are in control. The price has broken through several resistance levels, which were previously acting as ceilings to the price movement, indicating a strong bullish sentiment. However, it's important to note that there is always the potential for a reversal. Let's take a closer look at the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular understanding of the recent price action. The 1-hour chart paints a more detailed picture of the recent price volatility. We see a strong upward trend, but with a series of smaller corrections and pullbacks that could be considered red flags for traders looking to enter long positions. While the price has been moving upwards, it's important to consider the potential for a correction in the near term. The 1-hour chart shows that there have been a number of instances where the price has pulled back after reaching a new high, suggesting that the bulls might be losing momentum. Zooming in on the last 24 hours of the 1-hour chart, we can see a more pronounced upward trend, but also a number of instances where the price has pulled back after reaching a new high. This suggests that the bulls are still in control, but there are signs that their momentum might be waning. Traders looking to enter long positions should exercise caution and be prepared for a potential pullback. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see a very volatile market with the price fluctuating quite rapidly. This type of volatility can be very difficult to trade, and it's important for traders to have a clear understanding of their risk tolerance and entry and exit points. The 15-minute chart shows that there have been a number of instances where the price has rallied rapidly, only to pull back just as quickly. This suggests that the market is highly speculative, and traders should be prepared for quick and sudden price swings. The 15-minute chart is also a good place to look for support and resistance levels in the short term, as the price fluctuations can be more pronounced on this time frame. Overall, the chart data suggests that Bitcoin is in a bullish trend, but with a high degree of volatility. Traders should be aware of the potential for corrections and pullbacks, and they should have a clear trading plan before entering any positions. In the long term, Bitcoin's future price is heavily influenced by macroeconomic factors, including interest rates, inflation, and global economic growth. A positive macroeconomic environment with low interest rates and steady economic growth is likely to support Bitcoin's price, as investors are more likely to seek out alternative assets during periods of economic uncertainty. However, a negative macroeconomic environment, with high interest rates and slowing economic growth, could put downward pressure on Bitcoin's price. Therefore, it's important for traders to stay up to date on the latest news and economic indicators to make informed trading decisions. Let's recap the key price levels to watch in the coming days and weeks. The $60,000 level has been a major resistance level in the past, but the price has broken through it today. This suggests that this level could now act as a support level in the near term. The next major resistance level to watch is $70,000, a level that Bitcoin has not reached in over a year. This level could be a significant obstacle to further upward price movement. On the downside, the $55,000 level could act as a support level in the short term. If the price falls below this level, it could signal a shift in momentum and increase the likelihood of a correction. Traders should be aware of these key price levels and adjust their trading strategies accordingly. It's also important to keep an eye on news events and economic indicators, as these factors can have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price movement. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies is inherently risky, and there are no guarantees of success. Always do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and happy trading! Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth market analysis.